In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Namecheap email for your domain step by step. If you have a domain registered with Namecheap and you want a professional email address like info@yourdomain.com, support@yourdomain.com, or hello@yourdomain.com, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and domain tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, sign into your Namecheap account using the account that has your domain connected to it. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for private email. This is the section where Namecheap lets you create and manage email mailboxes for your domain. Go ahead and click private email to open the email management area. After that, click manage. This takes you into the control panel where you can set up a new mailbox. Now scroll down until you see the option that says create mailbox. This is the button you need to start making your custom domain email address. Click Create Mailbox and then begin entering the mailbox name. For example, if you want a general business email, you could type info. If you want a support address, you could use support. The name you enter here will appear before the @ symbol in your email address. Next, create a strong password for the mailbox. Make sure it is something secure and easy for you to remember, but hard for anyone else to guess. After that, select the mailbox storage. Depending on your plan, you may have different storage options available, so choose the one that fits your needs. If you're just getting started, the default option is usually fine, but make sure it gives you enough space for the emails you expect to receive. Once everything looks good, click Save Changes. Namecheap will now create the mailbox for your domain. After the mailbox is created, the next step is to log in. Click Login, and then sign in using the same email address and password you just created. This confirms that your mailbox is active and ready to use. If everything is set up correctly, you'll now be inside your new Namecheap email account, and you can start sending and receiving professional emails using your domain name. That's really all there is to it. You've now created a Namecheap email for your domain and logged in successfully using the same details. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.